folks, it's me again. I'm going to do a product review because, you know, what the hell. I like doing product reviews in between when I have a short amount of time. This product review was on a product that I already bought, and I used it. I bought another one just because I bought a set of these Milwaukee gloves, and they're actually, I like them. I really do. But I have to say, I'm not impressed with synthetic fibers. Like, I know, ooh, I can touch my phone, whatever, but this compared to, honestly, I mean, my other set has a hole in the finger after using them for a month. I've been using these things for over a year. They're leather. I'm not a big fan of synthetic. I like the way they look. They have, you know, I say Milwaukee. I don't know if it's, not sure it's Milwaukee beer or tools, but who knows? Just kidding. But I'm not, you know what? I figured I'd try them out. I needed some quick work gloves because I didn't want to bring these, but I'm like, you know what? Now I should have just brought these. And I already know if I was doing the same, all I did was move lumber. I was just moving lumber, and I do all kinds of things in there with this. I've been using this for a year, moving steel, lumber, grinding, all kinds of stuff. A lot of it's not on video. And these ones, I moved a couple of piles of lumber, and a hole developed in the finger. I'm like, is this supposed to happen? Are they supposed to be this durable that a month later there's a hole developing in the finger? And I'm thinking like, okay, I spent $17 on a pair of gloves because the other ones were shit. And these ones, I didn't want to bring them here because I was using them for something else. Actually, I think I didn't want to bring them because they were going to get wet. I was dealing in the basement. And I'm not impressed with synthetic. Are these leather? I don't know. What the hell? I'm not really sure, but I don't know. These Lincoln Electric TIG welding gloves are like, not even just these ones. Like I have, where is it? I buy these ones here. Of course, they're all left sides. Where the hell's the right side? I even buy these little cheap ones. TIG gloves. I mean, look. Go. Much dirt's on these things. Usually I usually burn these up in a grinder. Nothing withstands the grinder. The grinder just tears them to shreds. But I mean, so I bought another one because I will be doing more work in the water, and I don't like getting these wet. But I'm like, I'm buying more of these. These, I'll be buying them for a little while, but I'm buying these. I am going over the border and ordering me more TIG gloves because I like them. Oh, and I also put little strange signs on them. If you might not notice, I put random, like this says F24, this has an A on it, because when I get a pair, and you wear them and you get a pair, and you're like, and you have 5 the same pairs, and you kind of get them all broken in, and you find one, you're like, wait a minute, this is not the same one. So I mark them all. I take a mark and I draw a square or round thing with a line through it, just so I know that's the pair I wore and broke in, and the other ones are all different. It's just a little thing I do. It's not really doesn't really help the gloves. It just helps me know that when I broke these pairs and got them all comfy, and you go, because sometimes you get a glove and one pair is a little bit shorter, or one little finger is sewn a little tighter, and you're like, okay, this one's like not, and then you get that perfect pair, you're just like, yeah, and you just wear them out, and you're like, oh, I gotta break another pair. But when I use like one pair of gloves for my grinder, one pair over there, one pair over here, and they all kind of break in different ways, you're just like, I like these ones. And then so I put numbers on them or whatever. But I like these Milwaukee gloves. They're decent. For what I'm doing with them, they're I can power surf with a little, smart swipe. Ooh, I could surf the internet. I actually I actually use these for internet surfing because when I'm doing work on the house, I bought a DeWalt Bluetooth radio, and I set my phone, which I now have unlimited data. I could probably do a live stream here if I wanted. I have unlimited data, so I put it on. I downloaded an app called Triode. It's free, and there's like a gazillion stations, and I put on the all Metallica Iron Maiden station. I play it full blast in there, and when I automatically, now that I'm like kind of getting to tech again, when I go in my car, it automatically connects and it plays all Metallica and Iron Maiden automatically. So yeah, you learn something new. So anyway, that's just my little glove review. But it wasn't, well, yeah, hey, it's just me telling you stuff. So I hope you liked my little rant. Like I said, these are really good gloves. They come in multiple sizes. My sausages are a little short, so sometimes they're a little long. Maybe the other pair I'll make, fingerless gloves out of them. These ones I think I have one I repaired. I repaired the whole finger. This one, has the finger starting to wear out, so I'll cut it off and resew a finger in. I have one somewhere I got to do the back. That's a good thing about leather. I have a boatload of deer hide, and I just cut a little slab out, put it in there, I'm done. Is it worth the time and effort? Probably not, but it looks cool. A nice brand finger. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I exist.